going to give him a kiss goodnight?
No, I'm just going to fix this. Mommy, turn this locomotive off.
That's awesome.
Yep, coming up. This feels like cold. Goes in those machines. It puts it in.
Is the baby sleeping? Give him a kiss. Show me how you give him a kiss. I'm watching. That's so sweet. I'm sure that they were loving that. Did you give him a hug?
A hug.
You did. Ariel's gonna go to sleep now? Good night, Ariel. Give her a kiss. Oh, and a hug. That's nice. Good night, Ariel. And a boy a kiss? Okay. What's the boy's name?
Just a boy.
Just a boy? He doesn't have a name?
This is a girl.
Oh.
That's a boy.
Do any of the babies have names?
That's a big baby, the little baby, and the little baby, and the little baby.
Oh, good. Excellent. Who are you calling? Goodness, Bubby's dumping some blocks out. Who are you calling?
Oh, Grandma.
Grandma? Grandma and Grandpa, what are they going to say? What are they going to say?
Grandpa eating dinner and Grandma eating dinner.
Oh, they're eating dinner? You're going to call them later?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. And what?
Who answered?
She didn't answer?
Yes. Yes, Mommy.
Oh, she did. Oh, okay. Do you think if I found some music you could dance for me?